What are you doing there, sport?
It's just so hot and
You think money grows on trees, champ? Our utility bills have gone through the roof lately.
if we went solar, we could have a way more manageable monthly bill. Then you don't have to sit here and guard the thermostat all the time.
You gonna pay for that?
There are tax breaks and zero down options. The Johnsons just went solar.
The Johnsons. Back to bed, big guy, huh?
Bring back the chill. Stop stressing over high utility bills. Click the link, enter your address, and get a customized solar estimate for your roof based on satellite data in less than 30 seconds.